Hello dear friend, welcome to the Tourism with Setaredan channel. In this video, we intend to challenge your knowledge. Despite being confident that you are a genius, let's go and explore the visual question related to this video together. The images you're seeing, which famous world tourist attraction do they belong to? Is it Sentosa Merlion in Singapore or Santa Maria del Fiore in Italy? From this very moment, you have only 10 seconds to identify the correct answer. Ten seconds are up, and the answer to our question is the Sentosa Merlion in Singapore. The Sentosa Merlion in Singapore is a majestic symbol on Sentosa Island, blending artistic brilliance with national pride. With meticulous craftsmanship, it reflects Singapore's cultural identity, offering panoramic views of the surrounding seascape and cityscape. As the sun sets, the Merlion takes on a magical glow, providing both stunning visuals and an immersive experience that explores Singapore's history, a captivating testament to the city-state's beauty and cultural richness. The Sentosa Merlion stands as a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. If you're eager to explore fascinating information about Sentosa Merlion and its surrounding attractions, or if you're interested in a comprehensive guide for an enchanting journey to this magical destination, be sure to click on the video you see in the image. But that's not the whole story. In this video, you'll also get acquainted with the beloved international superstar of Singapore and one of the geniuses in the world of music, Stephanie's son. You'll gain sweet insights into her biography and the amazing secrets behind her success that will undoubtedly be captivating for you. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and kindly support us with likes and comments. Additionally, by pressing the subscribe button and setting the notification bell to all, stay promptly informed about our new videos.